Hey fellow Nevillers, today is day 5 of 365, personal challenge to read, share, Neville lecture book, phrase, quote, with you guys. Random lecture today, or random book. I'm reading from Mental Diets, seriously important. Our inner conversations. I'll read a couple of paragraphs here. How we can help others in our world. Neville shares this. We abandon ourselves to negative inner talking, yet expect to retain command of life. Our present mental conversations do not recede into the past, as man believes. They advance into the future to confront us as wasted or invested words. My word, said the prophet, shall not return unto me void, but it shall accomplish that which I please, and it shall prosper in all the things whereto I sent it. How would I send my word to help a friend? I would imagine that I am hearing his voice, that he is physically present, that my hand is on him. I would then congratulate him on his good fortune, tell him that I have never seen him look better. I would listen as though I heard him. I would imagine that he is telling me he has never felt better. He has never been happier. And I would know that in this loving, knowing communion with another, a communion populous with loving thoughts and feelings, that my word was sent, and it shall not return unto me void, but it shall prosper in all the things whereto I sent it. So as you can see, Neville here is telling us how easy it is for us to help another in our world, by imagining a loving communion with them, populous with loving, kind, noble thoughts. And he shares this. So you see them in your imagination, that other, and then you congratulate him on his good fortune, i.e. he looks really well, or congrats on your job, or congratulations on your promotion. Anything that that other wants to see as an ideal in their world, or what you want to see as an ideal for them. That's how powerful, fellow Nevillers, our inner conversations are. So that's today's Daily Neville Wisdom. Feel free to comment, share, love, like, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.